Clary Sage is one of the most helpful, not helpful, but healthful essential oils on the planet. This plant has a lengthy history as a medicinal herb. In this episode, I will show you how to use Clary Sage Essential Oil along with the diverse Clary Sage Oil health benefits, and later a fun little pregnancy and labor experience. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacey Paulson, essential oil educator, health and business coach, and mother of 6 amazing children. I believe that women have more potential than they ever thought possible. And I'm obsessed with helping women to break free from their emotional and health challenges so that they can live life fully. If this speaks to you, make sure that you click like and then subscribe and the bell notification so that we can stay connected. What is Clary Sage? So Clary Sage is a flowering herb in the mint family that is native to Southern Europe. Clary Sage has been used for its many benefits since the Middle Ages. The flowers and leaves and stems distilled for the fragrant essential oil, which is considered one of the most relaxing of all oils. When applied topically, Clary Sage calms and soothes the skin. What is Clary Sage Essential Oil used for? So Clary Sage Essential Oil is particularly helpful during your menstrual cycle. And it's a key ingredient in doTERRA's Women's Monthly Blend called Clary Calm, which I love to just roll on my stomach. And due to its linalool and linalool acetate content, Clary Sage can help improve mood and promote calming feelings. So for a soothing effect during your menstruation, you just gently rub 3 to 5 drops of Clary Sage into your stomach, and then you can add it also to your bath for a stress relieving soak. With baby number 5 and baby number 6, I was kind of impatient with having them and also wanting to have them a little more natural. And the thing with having contractions is that it's helpful to be calm. When you can relax, then the contractions that you have to help move that baby along, they work better or more effective, efficient when you are able to relax. But when you are stressed and you're tightened up and like this, it's like you're fighting the contractions and it makes labor go longer. So what I found with number 5 and number 6 is Clary Sage was kind of that lifesaver because it helped me to calm and be relaxed and also support my body's natural ability to contract to help those babies come out. Completely different experience than number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 5 and 6, using essential oils, especially Clary Sage, has been really helpful in promoting those calming, relaxing feelings. I would love to hear from you. What have you used Clary Sage for, if you've used it before? And if you haven't, what are you looking to use it for? Go ahead and place that in the comments so that we can hear from you. Now, a common question I get asked is, can you use Clary Sage Essential Oil internally? And yes, you can. So how do you use Clary Sage Essential Oil internally? Well, number 1, you first need to make sure that you're using a brand that says for internal use. Most essential oil brands will say not for internal use. And that to me is a trigger that it may not be pure, because if you're using Clary Sage and it's pure and potent, it is safe to take internally. So on doTERRA's bottle, it's CPTG, which stands for Certified Pure Tested Grade. And so it's tested and confirmed by third-party laboratories that it is safe and effective at taking this internally. So you want to make sure that you have pure oils that you're using first if you're going to be using them internally. So due to its chemical constituents, Clary Sage helps soothe the nervous system when you're taking it internally. So usually you put 1 to 2 drops in a veggie cap, and a veggie cap is just a little capsule that you can get, and you can take the top off and put a couple of drops in there, put the cap back on, and take it like a regular pill. And the reason you do that is if you don't want to taste it, because it is flowery. Some people don't like the taste of flowery things, but if you don't mind that, then you can just put a couple of drops right in your mouth and you can swallow with some water, or the most effective way internally is to put a couple of drops under your tongue. It's called sublingual use of essential oils, and more will be absorbed if you put them there than if they go down into your digestive system and then get absorbed to your bloodstream that way. So that is something you should know if you're wanting to use these, especially for calming your nervous system, whether that's emotionally calming or physical calming of nerves. This is a great oil to use internally. What does Clary Sage Essential Oil smell like? If you haven't smelled it before, it has a pleasant herbal and slightly floral aroma that is popularly used in colognes and perfumes. So you might not think you've smelled it, but you probably have smelled it in a cologne or perfume. It helps soothe and balance heightened emotions. Clary Sage is a beautiful oil to diffuse for calming aroma when you feel worry or those anxious feelings, a little anxiousness. It can also be used to promote relaxation in preparation for a restful night's sleep. Now, Clary Sage blends well with lavender, geranium, ylang-ylang, citrus oils, and sandalwood. So this is something you put a combination in a diffuser. Now, you can also check out my diffuser blends. I'll attach a card up here in the right or down in the description below, and you can get my diffuser blends, some of which have Clary Sage in them. Here's some fun facts about Clary Sage Essential Oil. There are 57 published studies on the benefits of Clary Sage. So Clary Sage is a perennial herb that grows up to 6 feet in height. And Clary Sage has historically been known or used for making this love potion. So when you mix dried lavender, Clary Sage, valerian, and sassafras leaves, and you put them on the buttons of the clothes of the person that you desire to fall in love with you, this potion was believed to make the man attracted to whoever made it. Now, I don't know if that's true. I haven't tried it, but I do have a video that I did on essential oils and intimacy, which you could click up there in the cards, or I'll link it down below. And also I have an ebook for essential oils for intimacy. So you can check that out. You can also check out this updated love potion and see if it works on your man. Now, if you want some additional essential oil tips, you can go ahead and click here or YouTube's favorite here. And I would love for you to click subscribe so that you can be notified of my next video that's coming out, which is essential oils for muscle pain.